All right, guys, here it is. It's all done, all dry. It has 2 coats of our Restore Finish on. I think it turned out pretty nice. Looks real good, especially down here. This all filled in real nice. The wood was light and looked kind of split the veneer, but it just looked aged. But now it's filled in all those cracks, and it did cover it pretty good. So this thing's all dry, and our changing table portion looks all pretty good. Our little trouble spot, I hit it with some steel wool and tried to feather it in to kind of match the wood grain, and I think it turned out as good as it possibly could have, just with the situation, because once you get water damaged veneer, it's tough to work with. But I think I was able to match this area pretty well over here. This is part of the veneer, this dark spot too. This is just kind of how it looks. So yeah, I think it turned out as good as it can. It's also now nice and smooth, so there's no rough spots or anything like that. So anyway, the next part I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move this big thing. I'm gonna get it off of here, get it onto our wagon, and then probably wheel it outside, and I'm gonna reattach the changing table portion up top with these to these hinges. So we'll do that next, get it all put together, and you can see the final product. Okay, it's out here now in the sun. Now you can see, I think it did turn out real nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get the changing table portion screwed on next, and then we're all good to go. Okay, so we got it lined up here, and then we're gonna flip down and get our screw started. Okay guys, there it is. So got the changing table portion put back on. I think it looks pretty good. There it is, flipped out. And yeah, this is a pretty cool thing. Even if you don't need the changing table, you can keep that folded up and then just use this as storage. But yeah, that Restore Finish stuff works great. Typically, I'm not a fan of working with veneer furniture. Some people do, some people are great with that, but I personally try to stay away from it. But sometimes you can find pieces that have the veneer in pretty good shape. I mean, this thing was like 95% okay. That little spot, you can see it out here in the light now. I think we were able to fix that pretty well. That steel wool really just smoothed it out, and I tried to blend it the best I could. So anyway, yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick project. Please give us a like and go ahead and subscribe if you like this type of content, and leave us a comment down below if you like, and also go ahead and give us a follow on our social media. upwood.industries is our Instagram account. And check out our website too, upwoodindustries.com. We have other projects we've done, and we post our blogs weekly on there, so different types of blogs if you're interested in this furniture content. So thanks again for watching, and I'll be on the hunt for the next project soon.